ಅಡಿಕೆ ನಾಡಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಚನ್ನಗಿರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ರುವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ.
ಈ ಸುಂದರ ಸಂಜೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ತಂಪಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರೋ ಚಳಿಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
As the stage come alive, as the light shines brighter, stage come alive.
We warmly welcome you all to the Dhruva Fest 2025,
where every child shines bright.
Now, today, our stories dance, our voices sings, and our culture shines.
Yes, here our parents are not only going to watch the steps, but the passion, dedication behind every performance.
Zoha, do you know, behind the screen, there are nervous minds, quick rehearsals, and hearts filled with excitement.
Yes, Mansa. In the next few moments, your ears will echo with music, your eyes will fill with beautiful moments, and stories told through dance. Are you ready for all this?
Yes, of course. Audience, are you all ready?
Before rhythm takes over the stage, let us pause for a moment to seek Divine's blessing.
Zoha, I think I'm remembering a sloka in my mind.
What is that?
It is Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambake Gauri Narayane Namostate.
Oh, that sounds nice. Power does not always roar. Sometimes it rises in a grace, rhythm, and unwearying strength.
Yes, now our adorned dancers are ready to bring alive the eternal energy, Shakti, celebrating resilience, balance, and inner power.
Without any wait, let's welcome grade 8 students for Welcome Dance, titled
Shakti, the Divine Power.
We welcome them onto the stage with a big round of applause.